Hello YouTube, it is me, BabyChloe, and today in this update video, as you can see here, this is a 3-story TNT cannon and shoots a grand total of 24 pieces of TNT at once, and I apologise for any lag. And this is in addition to one of a few additions to this map, of which I shall be showing you later. And this thing takes a grand total of 192 pieces of TNT to load. And I shall show you a quick demo of the inside of it, just in case you want to use the same system. And here is the person who encouraged me to create this thing as a test to see how good I was. Who is ready on the button for when I want this thing to be fired. As you can see, it's just a simple design. The button's there. It carries the current upwards through these redstone torches to the next layer. Just a simple system, and it works well and very effectively. It also sets off the lights. Anyway, I'm going to fly over to the location over here, ready for it to fire. And whenever you're ready, Amber. Okay, here we go. Here comes all the TNT. Boom. Great big crater. As you can see, the cannon is fully empty. Well, you will be able to just momentarily. There we go. Now the TNT's de-rendered out of it. And also in this map, we have a giant tunnel system going under here, and all of these designs that have been cut out of the ground here are due to BabyAmber. BabyAmber was the lead designer for the outer side of the cannon as well. And this part here used to be a natural pool, but Sam was getting on my nerves when digging out the tunnel that is underneath it. So that got redesigned, and this is a thing. Please tell me in the comments what you think this part here looks like, because I can see exactly what the comments are going to be. Anyway, like I said, a new addition to this part here is the giant roof that is on top of it, as well as the pool. The little pool here that we've got on the roof, which Amber has just jumped into, as will I. And yeah, I never gave you a big flipping look around this place. In here we've got the pool, because I never really had a good explain of this place before. And this part here is, I don't even know why we built like this giant lake type thing. All I know is it's a pain in the butt for squids. Yeah, Amber kind of gets a bit carried away when building at times. Anyway, on the house, because I never actually showed you inside the house. I showed you downstairs, but not inside. I'm getting stuck on the vines while flying, which helps a lot. Not. In here, we've got the bedroom for all of this stuff. Flower going down the stairs. Amber, like I said, is the designer of this entire build. I still need to put some furniture in here though, because it's a bit bleak at the moment. Empty even. Not bleak. I don't know where the hell bleak came from. Oh, God, I'm lagging again. That figures. Yeah, it's rather a big build. It all started off from this cannon here, which was at one point erect, and a rectangular piece of obsidian, which has miraculously turned into this lot. Because originally, as Amber was doing this, she originally put lava on the roof, just messing around, and she thought this actually looks pretty good because it actually went right to the edges of where the obsidian was, and that's how it all started. Because originally, I like it. This place, if you're wondering what's up with all the craters around here, this used to just be a piss around server before, and then we ended up well, yeah, testing area with a lot of TNT. Oh yeah, speaking of TNT, I've just spotted this in my view, which is the reason why I have a cow. Which is the reason why I have a cow egg in here. I'm going to set this little thing off, and I forgot to grab TNT. That helps. I just loaded a cannon and forgot to grab TNT. That worked. In here, this part here, we may have got a little bit carried away with. Yeah, I know. I'm getting good at that. This part here is basically what I like to call a mob killer. And basically, one layer of TNT here, you stack the thing up with mobs, of which I'm filling it up with cows now. This is just a shout out to AntVenoms there, because I know he hates... Because I know AntVenoms hates cows, so this is for him. This is what I like to call a cow killer. I'm just filling this thing up totally. Okay, there we go. That should be enough. There's still a chicken here from last time. Okay. Boom. Bye-bye, cows. So long. Yeah, okay, now... Oh yeah, right, okay. Now, as you can see here, there's the new roof, and in here is the is the giant subway system. Well, I say subway, tunnel system. It's only ever called a subway over in the UK, I think. Like I am. In here, there's the giant system here with an obsidian base, just in case there's an explosion underground. Because one of the people who goes on the server kind of likes his TNT, me included. So that's just in case this place gets exploded, and this leads directly to the face of the cannon. Well, the inside of the cannon, which you can see here, without TNT now. And basically, this build is huge. And oh yeah, I never explained the downstairs section before and the fire on the wall. Due to the fire on the wall here is a mob prevention system made by Amber. And basically, if they end up falling off this edge, they die in the fire. As you can tell by this cow. Anyway, I never explained the downstairs section of here in the last video. Oh, I'm climbing up vines here. This part here is basically a... This part here is basically our little farming area. And just in case you're wondering, the water for this part here is actually underneath the half slabs. And the reason why I've put half slabs here is to stop you from being able to jump and destroying the crops. So, hello! Eventually I'll get used to the doors. Run! Yeah, this part here is a plague for squids, as you can see. Amber, squid control, please. Yeah, the doors are a little annoying at times here. Me and doors don't mix. For some peculiar reason, I keep ending up walking straight into them because we've got a lot of pressure plate controlled doors. So I ended up catching myself out countless times with those things now. Anyway, this place I like because we've designed everything here with a system. Because whatever floor you're on, you can always access the center area. Because this is like the main area of the map. And and for usability when we're walking around it. And basically, I'm actually going to show you the old section of the map as well. This part here is a place where a friend of ours who also comes on here once in a while has made his house, but being the flonker that he is, didn't think to put slabs or anything above his water, so therefore it freezes all the time. This part here is a little watchtower that we made a while back. This is before I started recording what we were doing in the map. And also, I've devised a little system here for our old house. Hello. where if you flick this switch, it allows you to get across. As it completely screws up on this end here. And on my recording, go figure, I get transparent blocks. 1 sec, I just need to see if I can fix this. Sorry! Darn it. Yeah, this would actually be the slabs. There we go, now it decides to work on my recording. I was seeing through the blocks, if you're wondering, Amber. And you can walk straight across, straight to our little lake. Man-made, of course. And what on earth has James been doing? One of the people who plays here has somehow managed to totally destroy this area. This used to be an ice rink, if you're wondering. I would like to know what happened there, because I have no clue. Yeah, that's confused me. Yeah, there used to be ice there. I have no idea what the heck happened. This part here used to be an ice rink, and somehow it's got an explosion and all the ice is gone. Also, the owner of the server, this is his house here, and not quite sure what he was thinking by putting ice as his windows, but nonetheless, kind of looks like his house is crying now, but nonetheless, I'll continue. Anyway, this is basically the map with an almighty amount of craters from our previous testing and extremely explosive outbursts, which hence the reason why it's going right the way down to bedrock. I'm actually surprised I haven't lagged myself like mad yet. Also, there's a reason for all this lava. We may have gotten a bit carried away when we were first building. The heck? There's vines going down here. I'm not quite sure when that happened, but anyway. Not quite sure how vines ended up going right the way down there. There must be a tree there at some point. Anyway, this is... Oh. You may have just lagged, which is not necessarily the best of things. Oh god. Yeah. Bear with me a moment while I get my frames per second back, because I've just completely crashed out. Which isn't necessarily the best of things to do. Oh god. I swear this always happens if I try and record. I should be alright. Oh god, there we go, connection lost. That figures. I will be back momentarily. Okay, and I'm back again. Stupid thing, I lagged out that much that I ended up crashing out my game. Thank you very much. And like I say, that is the oh yeah, if you're wondering what this AC is about on the roof, that means Amber and Chloe. Because this is basically where we are. This is basically our house just here, so I wouldn't be surprised if people noticed that on the first video. Anyway, yeah, I logged in and now it's the end of the recording. So that's it. That's it from today. Any more add-ons that we add in? Amber, where are you? Yeah, Amber. Land on the A, please. Okay, that's it from me and Baby Amber, and we shall see you next time. Amber, don't you dare. Ow, my face!